1, 2, 3, ready. Exercise number 55. Until quite recently, the volume of our business in the south was quite small, but since last November, we have had an office in film and the volume of sale has risen steadily. Full stop. Sales in this territory for January and February are the best in the history of the firm. Full stop. In these 2 months, we have sold twice as much in the south as we sold last year. Full stop. The fact that this is almost as much as we have sold in Manchester shows that our new policy is entirely justified. Full stop. We feel that the result of our new policy is most satisfactory. Full stop. The race is not always to the swift. Sometimes too much haste makes for less speed. Full stop. Never waste time by having to do the same job twice. This is useful advice, and if you will follow it, it will assist you to be successful. Full stop. Write your notes accurately and neatly so that not only you but anybody else can read them easily. Full stop.